So we're looking at multiplying by a variable first to solve today. So there's still one-step equations. It's these cases when we have like example. Look, if you just look at the examples, we have our variable in the denominator. So we want to get rid of that, get it into our numerator first, because we can't have 1 over x equals. We have to have x equals. So after that, this is just a multiplication and division problem. You can do it in one step. However, I always advise people to do it in two. So let's look at 2 over x. So first thing we want to do is multiply by your variable, or whatever your variable, to whatever power it is. That way we can bring it up. After that, let's rewrite it, because we know our first side, this is going to cancel with that, right? And so on our right side, we are going to be left with simply 2 equals 4x. Now, we can easily see that we can divide by 4 and divide by 4. And we're going to get 1/2 is equal to x. Okay. Our next one, same thing. Right away, let's just multiply by x. Multiply by x. So we're left with negative 2x equals 8. Then we can divide by our negative 2, divide by our negative 2, and we'll find that x is going to be equal to negative 4. So, and last one here, this is kind of where we have a combination. So this is where we're going to use a combination of everything we've done so far. So here we want to bring this up on our left-hand side, right? This part here. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal of this. So here I'm going to multiply by 3x over 5. The whole reciprocal of it, okay? So this side we multiply by 3x over 5. We've done this before, we just didn't do it with a variable as well. So on this left-hand side, we're going to be left with 1 is equal to 6x over 30. So we can multiply this 30 over, we get 30 equals 6x, and we can divide then by 6, divide by 6, so we get 5 is equal to x. So you don't have to do that first step really like that. You can just multiply by 3x over there, then you can divide out by the 6, and you can multiply that 6 over. You'll get the exact same result, just maybe one less step.